Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So I've been checking out the StoneStream showerhead. You can see it right here. I installed it with the showerhead as well as the additional filter. So if you have hard water, you can install a secondary filter to help soften up the water. And StoneStream, it's kind of unique. So you have two options. They have a polypropylene version, I believe, as well as the one that uses these different stones inside. So I'll bring you over here if you can just get an idea of looking at these stones. So when you put the water through, the water is going to go through this, and the stones are going to help filter, and also they'll create like ions and all this crazy stuff to help get you smoother skin, you know, better and softer hair, stuff like that. That's what it says it's supposed to do. So that's pretty cool that it's going to go through that. You can get additional stones, and there's also stones in here to help filtering. And I believe it said when you use that, it actually makes it like 100% drinkable water that's coming through the shower as well because of all the minerals that are in it. So, you know, you should be able to drink your shower water anyway, but that's also pretty cool. Another thing with this StoneStream, you have 3 different settings. You have your wide setting, you have a very precise setting, and then one that kind of encompasses both of them. Now I will say, installing both of these, taking off the old shower head took about 1 minute. It comes with all the tape that you need to put on the actual outlet here for the shower, and it took me about another 2 minutes to install this and get it set up. Really, really simple and easy, straightforward, no leaking problems, anything like that. So that was really excellent. Obviously you can take this off and you can, you know, move it around, whatever you want to do. There's also right here, there is a stop water button. So if you're taking a shower, you want to get soaped up, you can stop it real quick. And then this is kind of unique. So a lot of the shower heads that you see out there have all the little like different sprayers on it, and you know, they can get really dirty. So this one here actually is flat, so you can easily clean that up. Now, this is also an eco-friendly shower head. So what it will do is it will actually not only save you water, but the way they design it is that it's gonna still put out, they say, up to twice as much pressure, water pressure. So I'm gonna just turn it on real quick here and just show you what it looks like with the different settings. Go ahead, turn that on. So you can see that setting is the mix setting between the two. Here is just by itself. And then there's that middle stream. So that one's pretty cool. So what I will say about this though is, you know, I think for kids using it, the shower head is a good size. But for an adult, I really would like to see this maybe a little bit wider, because I felt like the stream, even though I was using both streams at the same time, I wasn't getting full body coverage. Now, I will say that the stream that I was getting was nice, and you know, there was a good amount of pressure behind it, and I felt like it got everything off, soap out of the hair and everything, so that was great. I can easily switch between them, but I would like just a little bit more body coverage from, you know, left to right, as I felt like it was only going to one area. But besides that, I mean, I know it's an eco-friendly shower head, so maybe that plays into how much water is actually being used. But overall, I think it was a really great shower, easy to install. The kids tried it out as well. They, you know, they felt like their skin was a little smoother. I felt like mine was a little smoother after using it. I think it's a pretty cool and unique type of shower head to not only filter it, and then you get additional filtering and all these different things from all of the stones. So if you want to learn more, you can check it out. I have a link below to also purchase it from StoneStream, but you can actually find out more about what the different stones do and go from there. So this is a pretty innovative, unique product that I think maybe would be worth checking out. The other great thing about this is they have a great warranty on it. I think it's a year warranty, as well as they say it works with like 95% of worldwide shower heads, so it will fit almost anything. And I also want to say it's either 95+% of the people that do buy it actually keep this and they're satisfied with it. So all great things. Again, I really like the StoneStream right here. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and I'll see you soon.